folks, I just done a few checks on the GTI. Basically continue where we left off in the previous video. I just had to quickly tighten that up. Turns out that clip was broken. Very fidgety, but I've done that. Topped up the coolant slightly. If you were to drive it like this, you'll never be able to tell anything is wrong with it. There's no error lights or anything like that. It's more about when you're driving it or pushing it hard, you'll notice something. It's definitely an issue. I'm not going to bother right now because the car is stone cold. But yeah, we'll find out what's going on today anyway at Artec. Alright folks, so I've got a little stretch here where I'm just going to test out if it's still having that issue. So it normally happens when you floor the car and around 3000 RPM it starts freaking out. So let's floor it. Seems to be okay, pull in. Interesting, nothing's happening. Maybe it's in lower gears. Let me try third. Yeah, there it was. You guys saw that, innit? The revs just freaked out. Yeah. It's quite violent, that's why you can see I can't really hold the camera too well. It's just... Go back and check it out anyway. I'm not going to do it again in case it's causing damage. Alright folks, so we are finally here. Enough of the are we there yet? Are we there yet? We're finally actually here. We've got a Mark 7R. It's quite a nice colour that. Got another grey GTI there. It looks very similar to mine. Silver GTI. Nicky's mad track car there. The 560 brake one. What else we got in there? We've got an S38 8P. GTI made it in one piece. Look who's here. Main man Pip is here.
Hamza's channel.
Yeah. How you doing, Pip?
Alright, nice to you.
Yeah, not bad.
Brilliant.
What we got here, TT 1.8T.
TT band.
Yeah. Any good these? All right. Going on, Rob? You good?
Good.
Yeah, not bad, man. What's the beast over there saying?
All good, man.
Put a splitter on there.
Yeah. Don't get too close to that.
Nah, man, the camera makes everything look good.
Not that.
It's pretty much the same. Actually, it's got new exhaust now, hasn't it?
Yeah. Well, that's a bit of a sore subject, actually.
Yeah. Why?
Because I've just spoke to Nicky,
Mm.
and he thinks, well, he says that the Scorpion systems are actually more restricted than the stock.
Than stock?
System, yeah.
Does it sound any good though, at least? What do you reckon? Actually, might as well hear it, innit? Yeah, might as well hear it. There's just so many Golfs here, it's like golf heaven, man. Yeah, it's got a bit more of a growl to it compared to... Yeah, it's noticeable. Because from the last time I heard it, it was a stock back box, wasn't it?
I mean, it's definitely sounds better.
Actually looks like a GTI.
It's nice, man.
Yeah, I mean, it looks like... It sits better than what I thought it was going to sit. I thought it'd just be a bit of a drop, but it's got this kind of like cambered look now. It's about time really, I guess, and all the other mods and I finally lowered it. So, but the top mounts are knocking quite bad, so I need to get them fitted. They're at home though.
Is that what you haven't done today?
Nah, today is the fueling issue.
Oh yeah. So you were saying last night.
Yeah. Yes, Pip.
Working like always, eh?
Working like always.
The only one that does.
Fresh haircut today as well.
Fresh haircut.
Fresh haircut, working on
Been on
cars.
holiday, innit?
Best way to do it, mate. Just moved mine out of the way. There's some kind of beast pulling out. I think Nicky's just mapped it. Very loud that is.
That's my younger brother.
Alright, good, yeah, nice to meet you, man. Yeah. So here, Ibrahim. He's actually watched a lot of the videos on the Mark 5, so he's come to bring his car down as well today.
So pretty much similar to what you've done to your car.
Yeah.
In terms of all the buttons, modified GTI, BWA, DS3.
Yeah.
Went with the KO4 turbo.
Okay.
Got on DS3 injectors. I have a fuel pump, the full turbo pack Miltech exhaust system. Hopefully the remat, which I'm going to leave Nicky's hand later, hopefully works his magic. I'm not hoping for big figures, but I'm hoping for a car that runs nice and healthy, and you know, you get good power range.
Yeah, it's very similar setup. Alex is just here grafting as usual. Yeah, I thought it could be cool to just get your it's nice to get your take on your own car.
Yeah.
So it's
I mean, I've come down with my brother today, so hopefully the drive home,
Yeah.
it's something that I'm looking forward to.
bang on. A little trick: if you're here at Artec, stand by the door Got this big heater here, so they'd stand outside and get cold. There's the keys, mate.
Nice one.
It's in the hands of the master now.
Yeah, we'll see.
Oh look, it turns on still. Fantastic. There's still bird crap on the back. We'll try and figure out what's the sketch with it today. Not too fussed if we can't fully fix it, because the car does drive, it just doesn't want to be pushed too much.
What you found?
I haven't found anything yet.
Fix it then.
You're the boss here.
I'm not, I'll supervise now.
I've come here for your expertise, not for my own. Yeah, I had to put a new clip on this morning.
Ah, that's what it was. Pip will be on the case.
Yep. These things tick so much you can barely hear yourself think. Interesting choice of stickers, eh, Nicky? There it is, P1093. So, guys, remember that's the code I was talking about in the previous video. So it's there again. See what it is anyway. Right, so I think they're having lunch in there. So what we'll do, we'll go have a look at this 6R. It's been a while since we've been in this thing anyway. Do the honours, mate. Do the honours, mate.
Alright.
Let's go around the block.
I thought you wanted to.
You want me to drive?
Come on.
Oh, might as well then, innit? Been offered to drive, might as well. Whoa. Leaning back position, yeah, Rob? Some of you guys might not be aware, but you know the KO4 outlet pipe that's on my car? It's actually straight off this Mach 6R. Alright. Stage 2 plus.
Mate, that angle's sick.
Wide angle's really good, isn't it?
Mate, I need one of these phones.
It's actually a game changer. It's got a deep noise now, isn't it?
It's much deeper, more rumble. It's got a nice rumble.
Is it warm?
Yeah.
Yeah, it feels every bit as quick as it did last time. KO4 little champ. Nice little Fiat 500 through in the front. Let's go around here. Right, should we get that first gear, Paul? What you reckon?
Yeah, go for it.
First gear. Man, you can't beat a KO4, man. The way this is a stock turbo when it does it.
You think of the brakes now as well?
Yeah, better. Yeah, better. Well, it's hot in here, isn't it?
I like nice and toasty.
That was me, myself, that I was over here, man. You know what, Rob? I'm gonna hop out here and get some clips of you flying past. $360. $360. Sounds good, innit? Fast car, man. There's the overrun. So if you want to see a bit more about this car, I've got a full review on my channel, just go watch it. It's the one where I said like a Golf R sounds like a machine gun. It is this one. It's actually the same overrun that I've got on my GTI now as well, so it's actually louder on this because the exhaust is just, yeah. Pip, what do you reckon I should get next? A Honda?
Yeah. Good one.
You reckon the internals could have gone bad?
What make are they?
This.
Very, very rare they have issues. Who fitted them?
Yeah, you feel them, yeah.
You fitted them. Pip fitted them. That's why. Crook of the pump. Is that the original pump?
Yeah.
Might be worth taking the pump off, completely stripping it down, doing a rebuild on that. Clean out.
The fuel filter's quite old on it. Could that be an issue?
How old?
Original probably. It looks pretty, I don't know, I'm just guessing, it looks really dirty, like it's just brown.
Let's have a look. We'll change the fuel filter.
Yeah.
We'll set fire to it while the fuel filter's off.
We'll set fire to it.
Change the fuel filter, we'll strip that down, we'll look into the pump.
Yep.
See what we've got.
Cool.
Yeah, that fast's been good.
Very fast, clearly. The paint's peeling off, that's how quick the car is now.
Speed or lack of stripping.
Yeah. Character, as I like to say. So we're getting the fuel filter off. Fuel's probably going to go straight in my face, so I'll stand back. So from what we can see, it doesn't look like the original one has been changed. Nice clean Tesco Momentum.
That's the
Oh, always 99, always 99.
technique of getting these out. People use screwdrivers and picks to get them out.
Yeah.
Simple. You just push the clip in as hard as you can,
Yep.
then push the release button, then twist, gently, and it pops out. Shouldn't take no force or bending or twisting or
Yeah.
anything like that. It should just slide off nicely. Give them a bit of a blast out and clean up before they go back. Not a bad filter, really.
So it's pretty decent then.
Pretty decent one.
Process of elimination, mate, that's what this is. So we're going to take the fuel pump off now then?
Stripping it off completely, yeah.
Yeah, makes sense.
Bit of wear on it.
Pretty normal then, do you reckon? Yeah. That's the second cam follower we've changed anyway. First one was when I first had the car, did it, and then when we had the map done and we put the new fuel pump in, we changed it anyway as precaution, didn't we? So yeah, the fuel pump's off there. Another thing to note, if you guys are working on your car, this top bit here can snap off quite easily, so just be careful when you're trying to do bits on the engine bay at home. Inspection.
Traffic moves pretty well. So far, so good.
So far so good. Seems to be all good then so far. Doesn't make sense. Car just has like a hissy fit, like, nah. That is a big spanner, isn't it? Caused some serious injury with that spanner, man. 32. Alright, so we've cleaned out the other bit. Alright, so we're gonna go test the RS4 valve. Alex has got his little tool here. So that's the valve that's just come out of the car.
So that's opening up.
Show you what new one's
Yeah.
So we're going, should be 136.
Okay.
So
And that's going to
110,
110.
120,
120.
and that's opening up around about 126, 127. So that's basically opening up where I stopped one.
A bit lower then.
I'll test that one, Alex, see what that opens up with, whacking in.
Alright. Brand new one.
That's early, that.
See how it goes. Looks very shiny.
That's early, that one, isn't it? That's too early, that.
So this one's performed better then.
Yeah, way better.
Okay.
That's
So
a brand new one. You see how it's just sat there before it cracks off?
yeah.
So if you look directly at the clock, it's about 132, 133.
So interesting, that one, even though it was brand new when we put it in, it seems to
Get a bit weaker.
get a bit weaker. So, okay. It's been, what, about 3-4 months, I think, now?
Hard driving.
Yeah, hard driving, yeah. Guy in our room. Been a while since I've been in here. Hip singing voice. So we're going to put the new valve in. See how that does. See if it gets rid of any issues.
Come on, come and do some dances.
We have to get some more out, man.
I've got another quid.
This lightened car, no arch liners. This thing is going on the dyno, I think. 2 KO4 GTIs. That's basically getting the exact same stuff that my car had. Pretty much the same setup as well. So it's going to be a big change whenever he drives that after it's done.
Hamza inspired.
Hamza inspired. It actually is this car as well. You saw the owner early in the video anyway. Right, so we're getting the crank sensor out, or Kip is, and I'm filming.
Not too bad though.
Okay.
Give it a clean up, put it back in. Just
Yeah.
eliminates one more thing.
True. You can tell that's having the same map as mine. Car's back down. Take for a spin.
Like, go.
Yeah. Alright, so take for a spin on the block. See how it is. Finally sat down after. We'll see how it goes. See if it fixes it. Otherwise we'll just come back again on another day. We've changed some of the stuff today. We've changed the fuel filter. We've changed the RS4 valve. We've cleaned out the crank sensor. And yeah, we cleaned out the fuel pump as well. Yeah, let's just get to driving. Yeah, it's back to normal. Hopefully it stays like this over the next few days. It is getting quite dark now, so I'm just pulling back into Arctic. What we might do, guys, is end the video here, because I think the video quality is going to just look pretty crappy soon anyway. The vlog's going to be very consistent now anyway, as you guys know, so what I'm thinking, I'll update you guys in the next day or two about how it's performing. But yeah, we'll cut this vlog here because it's probably getting quite long anyway. Make sure you like the video if you did enjoy it, guys. Let me know if you did as well in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts if you had a similar issue. Subscribe as well for a lot more Mark V content to come, and also let me know what you want to see as the next budget car. Yeah, take care, guys.